1 hour lang. Kanta ka, Rod. Ito lang na isa sa likod.
Diba?
Sa Manila, parang
So, the master of smoke and spice, the Texas style barbecue here in Davao. So, I had it for 7 years kasi. So, the smoke barbecue scene, are we not doing this here in Davao? So, just have to bring it here in Davao City. So, smoke and spice without the Mindanao Butchers because they really help me. Texas style barbecue with plain barbecue, right? You're familiar with, there's a lot, 3 qualities when it comes to smokehouse. The quality of the meat, the aroma of the animal's beef, the wood, and the pitmaster. Wood-fired barbecue, which is the brisket, the sausage, and the ribs.
Best seller.
Bestseller, ito ang bestseller is the Angus beef belly because it's not, we do have online delivery, we have tie-up riders, we have Grab and Foodpanda.
Okay.
We are near in the Ateneo Car Park building, Una subdivision, not the Baccal area or the Cinto. So it's in Ateneo Matina, Acacia Street corner, Calachuchi. That's the